dimensional formula. The expression which shows how and which of the base quantity represent a physical quantity is called dimensional formula of the given physical quantity. For example, that the velocity equal to displacement upon time. Now dimensional formula will be of velocity will be dimensional formula of velocity will be L t minus 1, that is m0 L t minus 1. ठीक है. Similarly, dimensional formula of volume equal to m0 L cube t0. Look, what is dimension? Dimensions are powers, right, of m, l, t and others, right. What is dimension formula? Dimensional formula means m to the power, l to the power, t to the power, etc. ठीक है. Similarly, dimensional formula of acceleration. Dimensional formula of acceleration. तो acceleration क्या होता है? Acceleration equal to change in velocity upon time. तो dimensional formula of acceleration equal to dimensional formula of velocity divided by dimensional formula of time. Dimensional formula of velocity is how much? L t minus 1, and dimensional formula of time is t. So dimensional formula of acceleration equal to L t minus 1, and this t will and L t minus 1 and t minus 1, and this is equal to L t minus 2. ठीक है. Similarly, dimensional formula of force. तो force equal to mass into acceleration. तो dimensional formula of force equal to dimensional formula of mass into dimensional formula of acceleration. Dimensional formula of mass is m. Dimensional formula of acceleration is L t minus 2. The dimensional formula of force will be m L t minus 2. ठीक. One thing very very important, that before doing the dimension analysis, आप सबसे पहले सारे फार्मूले को याद कर लीजिए, लर्न कर लीजिए, बिकॉज विदाउट फार्मूला यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू राइट द डायमेंशनल फार्मूला. तो बुक से या कहीं से भी आप जो है फिजिकल क्वांटिटी के फार्मूला या रिलेशन विद अदर क्वांटिटीज ज़रूर याद कर लीजिए. ठीक है. नाउ डायमेंशनल इक्वेशन. Right. When a physical quantity is equated to the dimensional formula, what we obtained in the is the dimensional equation of physical quantity. Now I have three things: dimension, dimensional formula, dimensional equation. What is dimensions? Dimension is the power of base quantity. What is dimensional formula? Base quantity with power. And what is dimensional equation? When the physical quantity is related with the dimensional formula. For example, dimensional formula of velocity is LT minus 1. This is equation. Dimensional formula of velocity equal to LT minus 1. Dimensional formula of volume equal to dimensional formula of volume equal to m0 L क्यूब T0. नाउ आप पूछ सकते हैं कि सर यहाँ पे m लेना है कि नहीं. m टू द पावर 0 कितना होता है 1, राइट. m टू द पावर 0 1 होगा, t टू द पावर 0 1 होगा. तो कोई जब ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो हम ज़रूर लेंगे, अगर नहीं पड़ती है तो मत लीजिए, ठीक है. लेकिन कभी कभी हमें ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है लेने के लिए, ठीक है. सिमिलरली एक्सेलरेशन, डायमेंशनल फार्मूला ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन इज m0 L T minus 2. ठीक है. चलिए, फ्रॉम द स्टडी ऑफ द डायमेंशनल फार्मूला ऑफ वेरियस क्वांटिटीज, फिजिकल क्वांटिटी कैन बी डिवाइडेड इन